at the second oil production factory of the PetroChina Changqing oil field filiale. As we can see, the staff here are working 24 hours to monitor the single oil wells and ensure safe production. Through the big screen behind me, the staff can clearly see what's going on at the working sites, and the system can also help them to identify problems in engineering, operating, as well as geological conditions automatically. Besides, a data integration system can help the staff collect and analyze data in a very short time. The factory has ramped up the production to help ensure energy supply and the winter heating for this winter and next spring.